Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will use the nail tips with soft gel from Born Pretty and we'll see how it's going. I use it for the first time now on camera and we'll see everything. Solid nail tips gel from Born Pretty. I have two colors, the clear one and light pink, soft pink, light pink. This is the light pink. There is no smell, the composition is soft and is not running, but this is an alternative for the liquid gel for nail tips. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe, and if you want to buy any of the products that I'm using in the video are linked in the description below. Now I'm using these tips, nail tips. I bought them from Daiso. They are oval type and I'm trying to find which size is good for my nail. I'm trying to fit it from side to side, and being first time I'm using it, we will see live what I did good and what I did wrong. The size that is matching is the one that I'm using it for the nails. These nail tips are very easy to use. I think I have the square ones also, and it's okay, the plastic, I mean, for the quality, for the price point, I bought them from Daiso. I mean, it's okay. They're okay. And the sizes are matching. So from all this, I think there are 12 sizes. You can find something that match your nail plate. The soft gel that I will be using, the one from Born Pretty, I think before you've seen me using the non-stick hand gel. Well, this soft gel, you can use it with tips mostly. But if you don't have this soft gel, you can use as well the non-stick hand gel. You can use it with tips. I will have another video on this as well. So you see I'm matching it from side to side and hopefully everything will be fine. This is a little bit of time consuming until you find the shape, the size, but this is what it is. I'm buffing a little bit the inside of the nail tips with sanding bit. This is 150 grit. Just a little bit to remove the shine. Nowadays there are tips are coming already matte. You don't need to buff them. Depending, there are so many tips in the market. Which tips you are comfortable with, use it. It's fine. I think you have to try more than 1, 2, 3 sets until you find the one that you are feeling comfortable with. On this small one, I'm trying to use the ceramic pen. It's a ceramic stone. Is the same with the drill bit, but because it's very small, I can enter and I can remove the shine better than with the drill bit. Now I'm buffing the nail. I'm preparing the nails as usual. I'm using the buffer and I will use the primer, the bond control, sorry, the bond primer, and after that I will use the base coat, one coat, and put it on under LED lamp for 30 seconds. So this is the normal process. Same things you are doing all the time. Now this is the base gel from Inikis. I have it for a long time and this is a very good one. I didn't find Inikis again. This I bought it from AliExpress, but if you can find it there, is fine, is good. As well, I have the link for AliExpress in the description below. Anything that you are buying through that link, it will come a commission to me. So I'm placing a normal layer, not too thin, not too thick, of base gel, and curing it under LED lamp, as I said, for 30 seconds. Now let's get to the fun part. Soft nail tips gel that I will be using for nails with tips. This lamp, I bought it from Shein, is okay, it's working fine, has 4 LEDs. It's exactly what I need just to cure it a little bit, and after that I will cure it in the big lamp. So I place a small amount and after that I drag it on the nail. Now, this is not quite correct what I did, but was my first time. I've seen so many videos, and maybe, you know, by seeing videos after videos, I'm learning more and more and more. Now I know much better. So I will keep posting videos with the way that I'm improving with these nails and with these new products. Now, what I did wrong here is that I drag the gel, I drag it on the nail, and I let around the cuticles, you see, I let that big chunk there, which I should remove it before. So the pinky is wrong. Don't do like me. I drag it and I press it too much. And I press it too much because I wanted to fit the tips to the nail. On this one, you see, I removed the chunk, which is better. Now, one recommendation, one tips that I want to give you. When you are using soft gel with tips, you have to choose a bigger size of tips, not the same size. Because when you are adding product, this is solid. When you are adding a little bit, or if you are adding a little bit more, it will lift the tips. So the tips will not come from wall to wall, will not cover. This is one mistake that I did. You see, you don't need to drag like I dragged it. You can try this method. Sometimes it's working, sometimes not. I press it too much. It's still not bad. Not bad still. But the videos that I've seen, the methods that I've seen them coming from up to down, not from down to up. Though with this method that I did here, still the nails were looking fine and were lasting fine. I just cured it in this lamp for 30 seconds. This lamp is closing automatically after 1 minute, but I cured it for 30 seconds, for 1 minute, something like this. The good part is, because this one is not liquid, you don't need to hold the tips. You are placing it there. After that, you go in the lamp. It's fine. You can even use the big lamp if you want, but I just wanted, for the purpose of the video, to show you when I'm putting it under LED lamp and how. So I'm keep dragging it and I'm pressing it. I press too much, but I'm pressing it because I want to spread the product underneath the tips. The main thing is that the product has to be placed all over the nail, so the tips will not lift. It doesn't have to have any gap. Now you can see there is, on some nails, on the middle finger and pinky, there is a little bit of junk that I have to remove. It is extra gel, and I'm taking the drill bit, sanding bit, 150 grit, and removing all the extra gel there. This should not happen. Second thing that I did kind of wrong, I think, is that I place it too near the cuticles. When you are placing it too near cuticles, when you are using this drill bit, you may end up cutting that part. It's becoming too sensitive, that cuticle area. So again, it's advised to use it a little bit lower than the cuticles. Like this one. You see on the ringer, I place it a little bit lower, 1 millimeter lower than the cuticle. And it is better. And also because I removed the extra gel, is looking the best, this one. On the middle, I didn't remove the extra, and this extra gel went over my cuticles, which this is making difficult to remove it because I can cut my cuticles easily, but I think it removed well. Yes, it removed well, but still it is there underneath a little bit, so it's too close to cuticles. I can avoid this with being more cautious with the application. And on the pointer, on the index finger, I put a decent amount. It is okay. It is okay. I could do better, but it is not bad. As you can see with the amount that I put, because I put a little bit amount of this soft gel, still the tips are coming from side to side. So I cover the area. It didn't fall off. You can see the tips is covering from left to right, all the nail plate, which is okay. So you just have to choose a size that is a little bit bigger, but not too much. Just proper size. It's almost perfect. Almost the size. Now I'm just adjusting the shape. I want to make it a little bit square. I don't think I wanted square type, so I don't think that I had the square type. So I'm not making them too much square, I'm just shaping a little bit and that's all. In the shaping, I did as well a mistake because I kept the nail file, I kept it straight. So I should keep it from down to up, down to up. I'm taking too much from the nail side, from the sides of the nails, from where is the nail plate. I'm taking too much, but it's still looking fine and it's still okay. It's a learning process. I'm just showing you what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. I enjoy using this product and it's amazing. I recommend for you to use it and to play with it and to understand it. If you like my videos, please give a thumbs up and follow my channel, hit the notification bell so you will know when I'm posting new videos. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.